Fast Nation, how are you guys doing today? We got Timmy here today. Timmy's gonna do some filming with me, and guess what? He's gonna get his hands dirty and work on the car with me. And he's sitting behind the camera smiling because he knows. So yeah, we're gonna get back to work on the Mustang. We're gonna try and get the wiring harness done underneath the dashboard, and we're gonna try and finish up the interior. We're pretty damn close to getting the interior done, so hopefully we can get this done in like the next 2 hours. But that's it, guys. We're gonna cut to the time lapse. Enjoy. Alright guys, so I actually made a huge screw up last night. Me and Timmy, we were working real hard on getting this dash wired up and done, and then we got about 3/4 of the way done, and we realized that the one car must have been a performance pack, and one must have been like the premium package car. And the reason I say that, the one dashboard has 2 gauges in the middle, and it has the 2 vents on the outside, whereas the other dash has all 3 vents in the center. So I'm guessing that one was a performance pack because that is the vacuum / boost gauge, and then also the oil pressure gauge, which isn't included on the other dash. So I tore all the wiring off this dash for nothing, well, me and Timmy did, and I'm gonna go ahead and flip it back to this dash, screw all this down, and then insert this dash into the car instead, which should take care of that then. What's up there, pretty lady? Want to catch a ride in my ride? All right, guys, so as you can see, we got most of the interior done. I did make a boo-boo. We had to tear the dash back out of the car, tear the steering wheel out, rewire the old dash that came out of the last wreck Mustang. And then we had to slap that baby back in here. But as you can see here, guys, we got a lot of stuff done. Okay, we got all the wiring under the dash done. We got the center console all in place, wired up. Everything in there is good. The airbag restraint module, which I'll probably wind up having to take that back out, send it out, and get it reflashed so that the sequence of airbags and all that's wiped off of that. We did manage to get the performance pack LCD display, all the buttons and everything for there done. Steering wheel's back in. Basically all this stuff's done. The pedals are in now, most of the wiring's in. There's only a couple more little things to do in here, and then the interior is completely done. So as you can see here, we got the wiring harness up in the engine bay. I did not run the two sides into the cabin yet. I think before I go any further on the exterior of the car, besides maybe brakes, I don't know if we'll do brakes yet, but before I go any further on the wiring side of it, I wanted to contact a local frame company and see if they can pull this damage out of the frame first before I go lining the frame with the wiring and everything. And then they got a hook chains around it, pull on it, and we don't want to damage any of the wiring or anything like that. So before we go with any of that, I'm gonna see if we can get this frame pulled out. I'm gonna contact somebody this week. I don't know, with the whole spiel going on in our country right now, if I'll be able to get this frame pulled out. But it may be a couple weeks until the country's back online. But but the stores have toilet paper, so that's what's most important, guys. There is now toilet paper in the stores, so go get your toilet paper. But yeah, so I don't know if we'll be able to get this pulled out really soon. It may take a couple weeks, so I may have to transition to videos on something else, or just do little things to this, like get the brakes done, get the fuel tank in, get the fuel lines ran, and that kind of stuff. So I haven't quite planned that out just yet, but we're on the brink. So yeah, guys, as always, that kind of wraps this video up. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you give me a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.